Hi, today I'm going to talk about only three things. One, we're going to talk about what type of equipment or types of computer software or app that will help you collect evidence or help preserve your position when it comes to family court or matrimonials. So one of the things I found, and people always ask, how am I going to get text messages into evidence? Or how can I get a text message to my attorney so my attorney can turn it over to the other side? Well, if you have an Android, it took me forever to find an app that will take all your text messages and put it into a document rather than screenshotting. Screenshots are a waste of time. And also, you can always change the contact in your address book so it'll look like your ex sent you a text when in fact it was just you and your ex-girlfriend or your current girlfriend playing around. So if you have an Android, use Legal Text Collector. It is an app. So Legal Text Collector, it's an app. I'm not a salesperson for them. But if you have an iPhone, use iMazing. Instead of Amazing, it's iMazing. So you'll have to download that to your computer, and I believe the license is $35 for the year. It's super cheap, but with the Apple, it'll download and back up your entire phone. So that way you can print out all of your lovely text messages and it'll show pictures. You can back up photos, you can back up videos. That way you can send your attorney everything. So the other thing I found, people always like to videotape custody exchanges. So I just bought and went on Amazon and found a $99 body cam. And the body cam I found, you can find it on your own. It actually has a video replay on the back of it. So that way you can test it. It has up to 6 hours of record time rather than hold your phone up, which is kind of disturbing. And if you're worried that your ex is going to make false allegations during custody exchanges, well, guess what? Have your body cam, clip it to your shirt or whatever. That way you'll forget that you even have it on. So keep the phone away, use the body cam because you can always take out the little 32 gigabyte thing and download it and send it to your lawyer. Last thing, I got 30 seconds. New case law is coming about. So when it comes to pets, don't be a jerk. If you're the one that fed your pet, loves your pet, and little Susie loves her dog, don't do it and play games with who's going to get the pet. Be reasonable. There's going to be there is new case law about it where pets are no longer property. So now pets will have their own schedule of parenting time with their owners or their little owners, the kids. So that's it for today. Tina Bennett, and I'm out.